What's the meaning of angina pectoris? Angina pectoris. Angina pectoris. Angina pectoris. Angina pectoris. Angina pectoris.
Angina pectoris is a medical term used to describe chest pain or discomfort caused by reduced blood flow to the heart muscle. It is usually the result of coronary artery disease, which occurs when the arteries that supply blood to the heart become narrowed or blocked. The pain associated with angina may feel like pressure, tightness, or a squeezing sensation in the chest, and it may also be felt in the arms, neck, jaw, shoulder, or back. Other symptoms can include shortness of breath, nausea, sweating, and dizziness.